I wanted to start by saying, throughout my life, from middle school to high school to university and now beyond university, Jou Nouvo has really been a consistent force within my life and the life of my family as well. My family and I have had the immense privilege of being involved in Jou Nouvo's work for a number of years, beginning from Jou Nouvo's connection to UCC Norwell. And then my relationship with Jou Nouvo continued even beyond. One of my most valued experiences was having the opportunity to travel with Kerline to Bon Repos, Haiti in 2016. And in 2016, my parents and I were able to meet Lichmi and her family, whom my family had been in correspondence with through Jou Nouvo's sponsorship program. It was on this trip to Bon Repos, Haiti, that I met Medjean, cousin of Lichmi, who affectionately calls me her petite sœur Canadienne, and I call her my grande sœur Haitian. So she's my Haitian big sister. Medjean's determination and persistence is the vision that I think of when I imagine the core of Jou Nouvo's work within the educational impact sphere. Of all of Jou Nouvo's remarkable programs, many of which you've seen in the video, there are two programs in particular that I hold particularly close to my heart. Firstly, the Haiti Youth Education Fund, and secondly, the Girls Scholars Program. I was recently director of strategic outreach for a student-run nonprofit group called Circle of Women that had a mission to increase girls' access to secondary school education. And throughout my time at Circle of Women, I was introduced to a number of different organizations working within the educational empowerment sphere. And I can honestly, truly say, to this day, Jou Nouvo remains, in my eyes, one of the utmost impact leaders that I have had the privilege of working alongside, of working along with. And I want to highlight two things in particular. One, Jou Nouvo's commitment really to the true full life cycle of education and its mission of empowerment. That begins with the Jou Nouvo Girls Scholars Program, whose inception came about from a partnership between Circle of Women and Jou Nouvo. Today, from its inception in 2020, the GSP now has 61 students, of which 8 have graduated this past year, which is so exciting. But Jou Nouvo's commitment to its students doesn't end there. The HYEF University Scholarship Program provides a direct sightline to Bon Repos students from secondary school to university education. Now 10 students through this sponsorship model are enrolled at leading universities and technical programs in Haiti, pursuing studies from international studies to medicine, all across the board. I'm incredibly proud of Medjean, my grande sœur Haitienne, and one of the very first HYEF students in the program, for realizing the university dream and aspirations which she had shared with me as we gathered together at Jou Nouvo's Christmas party in Bon Repos in 2016. These three elements to me are incredibly impactful, and perhaps maybe the most special to the work that Jou Nouvo does throughout their educational programs. Truly, number one, a deep investment in the holistic success of each and every single one of Jou Nouvo's students. Secondly, Jou Nouvo's roots within the Bon Repos community are not only wide, but incredibly deep, as I'm sure you can see in Bon Repos. And thirdly, a concrete commitment to sustainable action through support across the full life cycle of education, from secondary school education to university and beyond, is really remarkable. I hope you can tell that Jou Nouvo is incredibly special to me, and it is truly an honor and delight to be able to celebrate Jou Nouvo's work tonight.